Hi guys, Steph here. Hey, yes, we've not seen each other for quite a long time. Yeah, some of you will actually have noticed I've not done any videos for quite a long time. So I thought I'd do this video very briefly just to let you know what happened or what is happening with regards to the work that I do with pens. Now, due to, well, unforeseen circumstances, due to other commitments, and due to, yeah, unfortunately we had a couple of bereavements within the family, which I must admit sort of actually knocked me back a little bit. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. Again, at that particular time as well, I thought I sort of had enough with regards to pens, and I'm actually going to give it all up and stop and maybe try and think of something else to do. But I've received some lovely messages from people, some emails, messages. I've even had a phone call from a good customer of mine in Bahrain. He knows who he is, so thank you very much, and thank you all for your concern and for your messages. So basically what's happened since then, we've had a new member to our family. There we go. This is Adele. Beautiful. Also, 2 weeks ago, my son and his good lady, they got married. It was a lovely day there with me grandchildren, etc. There they are, looking beautiful. So all in all, a lot of things have actually been happening. Some of it has actually affected me a little bit, but what I've done, I thought, right, I need to get my mojo back and get back into the world of pens, restoring, reviewing, selling them. Okay, so this is just to let you know that if I could just motivate myself just that slightly bit more, hopefully I'm going to be back soon, maybe even this week, with some pen reviews. I've actually been working on a couple of pens while this has all been happening, so I've got a couple of pens ready to go. But the main thing is just to let you know that, yeah, if I can get my mojo back, I'm going to come back. I enjoy what I'm doing. I enjoy people when they send me messages that they enjoy the pens. I know that they're going to be used, so that sort of motivates me. So fingers crossed, we'll be back very soon. And once again, thank you to all them people that messaged me and showed their concern. It's very much appreciated, and it's messages like that that help me along in what I actually do. So that's the reason, and hopefully we'll be back with you people very soon. So keep watching, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye for now. Oh, and Slavo Ukraini.